Hey, this is Brandon with GC Water. So today we're going to talk about replacing the formula on the formulation tank. In order to do that, you just have to give us a call so you can get some replacements out. So what we'll do, we'll send it to you in a box like so, and then it will come with an A and a B replacement jug. And to start off, you have the current A and B, which more than likely it will be at a lower level as it annotates here when to replace and order from us. All you'll have to do is locate the formulation switch on top of the formulation tank. Go ahead and put that in the off position to ensure that it does not pull any more formula. And then what you'll do is you'll pull the tube from the quick connect. All you have to do is push down on the collet and pull out the tube as such. Set that to the side, and to put in the A, you just have to twist off, break the seal, remove the old cap, place it in the new tank, and then place the tube inside the collet, and you will hear a nice little click sound when it has a proper seal. And you're going to want to do that same process for the B. So we're going to go and break this seal. Take the existing cap from the old formula, place it in the new, and go and throw that tube in there. Make sure it's got a good seal. And then all you have to do is turn on the formulation tank, get it back up and running, and there you have it. Thanks for tuning in. Feel free to contact us at the link below if you have any questions. We got more videos coming out shortly.